Good morning, everybody. We've had a really busy start to 2023. We've had so many phone calls, inquiries, emails on current projects, pending projects, and other people needing regular flights. So the past couple of weeks have been pretty crazy for me here, and I find myself on a Wednesday morning trying to figure out what to do with myself. What the heck? So hey everybody, welcome to the channel as always. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host if you're new here, and we talk about building our small drone businesses, mobile technology, drone technology. We cover all of that here. Now, normally I'm doing videos, how-to videos showing you through what we do for our business, and I find myself here today on a Wednesday trying to figure out what to do with myself. How can that be? It's been such a busy start to the season. Well, to be honest, we've already got things scheduled out, but I find myself on an unusual day where I actually have some free time for me and building my drone business. So what you're seeing up on screen right now is the classes.azdrone.net, Arizona Drone's teachable site. And if you haven't checked it out, pop on by. But this is one of the things I've been working on this morning. And let's dial it back here really quick. You are not going to be busy with your drone business every single day. Or maybe you are, and maybe you've got a huge drone business and maybe you've got a large staff of people. But for the average drone operator who's breaking into this field or building their small drone business, you're not going to be flying every single day for your clients. And that could be due to a lack of clients. That could be due to weather, which is one thing that's interfering with us this week. That could be due to the fact that you're wrapping up a project. Maybe you need information back from a client. So sometimes we will actually have down days. And, we need to make use of those days as well. Don't sit around worrying about, hey, the next client isn't here yet. Instead, start planning for that next client. Start doing things to attract that next client. So in my case this morning, I popped over to the teachable site, classes.azdrone.net, and I did some updates. So for our YouTube subscribers, if you look in the show notes down below, we're doing a new smaller series of discounts for our different classes. Nothing like the end of year blowout that we did, but still some really nice coupons for those of you who are interested in our individual classes or in our full class bundle. So I spent part of the morning working on that. I've got to do administrative stuff for AZ Drones classes as well as AZ Drones website. Also this morning I decided, hey, let's go through and hit all of our iCloud mail. So we utilize Mac.com. We have several email addresses though, and you're always welcome to contact us through azdrone.net if you'd like. So spending some time this morning just clearing through, like I said, this is kind of administrative stuff, but these are all things that are part of your drone business. So there you go. If you find that down day, if you're searching for those clients, spend some time with your outreach or even working on your online presence, because that's one of the next things that I'm going to be doing this morning. I've got to go through several of my websites and do some WordPress updates and, check that everything works okay afterward, restore from backups if it doesn't. So all that kind of busy work on the See My Build website and similar types of busy work on the azdrone.net. I have to go and do all the plugins and things like that as well. But this morning, I just had this moment and I said, I'm going to go check out ChatGPT really quick. And so if you can't tell, seriously, this was on my mind before I started doing this video for you. Working around bad weather in your drone business. And ChatGPT gave me some interesting suggestions here. And then I said drone business downtime, and they actually had a nice explanation. So various factors such as bad weather, equipment failure, regulatory issues to minimize downtime. It's important to have a plan in place for addressing these issues. It's also important to take advantage of that downtime sometimes. So like I said, I'm going to be working on the class site a little bit more today. I'm going to be working on the See My Build site. I'll work on the AZ Drone site, and I've cleared through most of my emails. I also decided to do some of those life things that you got to get done, like get in touch with Blue Cross Blue Shield for your renewal for your New Year cards and things, paying my insurance bills for my vehicle, already paid my my drone liability insurance for the year. So I'm just going to get all of these little things that keep building up. I'm going to go ahead and work on them and not worry too much about a big down day, because I already know we're flying Friday, we're flying Saturday, we're flying next week, and we might have a couple of new projects that we'll be talking to you about here on channel as well. So if you've got some downtime in your drone business and you're not quite sure what to do, I'm sure that your email inbox could use some cleaning up. Or in my case, let me go down to my downloads folder. So I've got this downloads folder on my Mac Mini, and I've got a bunch of things to go through. I can probably clear out half of that stuff and, save some drive space there. I could also spend a few minutes going through my new 2023 Lightroom library and cleaning out the stuff that I rejected the other day from one of my last flights, and just cleaning everything up so that only the picked images are showing up in that library, so that we don't burn a lot of space there. So don't worry about a down day or two. Take advantage of these types of days. And I think later this afternoon, I might go online and have a little gaming fun, just because I actually have a few minutes to do it. Well, everyone, I hope you're having a great start to the new year, and we'll see you again real soon here on channel. And as always, we appreciate you stopping by. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the links to our courses down below in the show description notes below.